Have you ever wondered what's in other people's trash and what they've used up and their thoughts on those products? Well, if you're interested in seeing that, continue watching this video and I'll go through all of this trash and I'll let you know what I think about each product. First off is this product. Of Nourishing Secrets Glowing or Ritual Body Wash. Not a fan. Not a fan. I just did not like it. The scent did not last long. Like, as soon as you get out of the shower, the scent is gone. So this is a no for me. Okay, I have two products here by the Kristen S line. Let's start off with the shampoo. This is the One Signature Shampoo. This is a big yes for me. I absolutely loved this shampoo. I only used it once a week and it is a lightly clarifying shampoo. And let me tell you, it left my hair feeling so clean, so healthy, so light. I will definitely be repurchasing this. By the same brand is the Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisturizing Mask. This is for your hair. I used every single drop of this. I really like this. After I get done with the hair mask that I have in my shower now, I will be repurchasing this as well. This is really, really nice. I actually just got done using these. This is the Rich Radiant Skincare. It's Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. I just got this from the Dollar Tree. And this is good just to clean up, like, while you're doing your makeup. Like, if you have swatches, just go ahead and remove the swatches. But this also does remove makeup really, really nicely. Here's another product that I just actually got done using last night. This is the Sensodyne Rapid Relief. I really like this. I do have sensitive teeth. So this right here is really, really good for sensitive teeth, and the mint or whatever flavoring is in this is not strong, because it's hard for me to find a toothpaste and a mouthwash that doesn't have the strong mint flavor, and that gags me so much. So this is really, really nice. I like it. I got this Clay Ronic Pore Toner. I just got this off of Amazon. I'm not sure if it's done anything for my pores, but it is a nice little toner. It is affordable and you can get it on Amazon. Bath and Body Works. Ooh. This is the Cotton Candy Clouds collection. I got the lotion, and I have the body spray, which I still have almost a completely full bottle of the spray. These run out a lot quicker than the sprays. I do recommend to try to get travel size sprays as much as possible, because it's almost impossible to go through a full bottle of fine fragrance mist. That being said, this does smell like a dream. I 100% recommend the Cotton Candy Clouds. It does smell like cotton candy. It's perfect. So 10 out of 10 for this. This is a probiotic by Ollie. I use this daily. These probiotics are great. If you're looking for a great gummy probiotic that actually tastes really, really good, really good, I recommend this one in this flavor. Being said, I actually have 3 Empties that I've already used this year, and I've got another one that's about to be empty. Dental hygiene. I absolutely love this Listerine. It's the only mouthwash that has not made me gag and want to throw up. This right here is absolutely amazing. It says that it's limited edition, but I can still find it right now at my Walmart, and I've been able to find this all year long. So this is amazing. This is the coconut and lime blend. Love this stuff. I use this daily, you guys. It doesn't taste like coconut or lime, but it doesn't have that Listerine taste. It doesn't taste like mint. It tastes really, really nice. It's bearable for me because I gag on mint and stuff like that. So this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to get through all of my Bath & Body Works products here so I can move on. I absolutely love the Iced Sugar Plum. I just recently finished this up. I got the shower gel and the body cream. I also have this Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I cut this one open to get every last drop out of it. That's why it's taped up. This right here is my second favorite scent from Bath & Body. This comes second to the strawberry pound cake. I absolutely love the strawberry pound cake. I will forever repurchase this as long as it's made available, and I already have backup in my collection. Two products that I have from Bath & Body Works in my empties is this, the apple of my eye. This is a foaming hand wash and an antibacterial hand spray that I've used up. I keep these in my car and here on my beauty vanity. Let's go in with some perfumes that I've used up this year. I have used up the My Way by Giorgio Armani. This right here smells divine. I absolutely love this packaging as well. It is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I almost want to keep it, but I don't have any use for the packaging. The next one here is the Powdery Coconut by Dossier. Or Dossier. This stuff smelled so good. Oh, it did smell powdery. Oh, I love the smell of baby powder, and this smelled just like baby powder, and you can still smell it. So good. The last perfume that I've used up so far this year is the Pink Sugar. Two last health products. I have used several of these already. I only kept one for reference. And this is the Natural Melatonin 10 milligrams. And here is some Ollie bloat peels. I have used several of these as well. These are a must-have in my daily medication routine. Okay, let's move along to hair care because I do have a lot of hair care products here. I should have organized this better, but I didn't. Oh well. I got this Empty Argan Magic. This. It's a shampoo. And I paid $9.99 for it at TJ Maxx. To me, I don't recommend this because it does not lather, and I really like my shampoos to lather. The next two products here are by Dr. Berg. I got the Clean Shine Conditioner and the shampoo. I did get this through Influencer, and I used every single drop. This is a nice natural shampoo, and you can use it every day. So I use this once, maybe twice a week, and then I will use a clarifying shampoo once a week. Okay, last but not least for the shampoos, I did use up this Dove Clarifying and Hydrate shampoo. I like this one. This one was a nice light clarifying shampoo. I would repurchase this, but I mean, it's not on the top of my list of repurchasing. That Kristen S is on the top of my list, but this is really nice and affordable. This is a leave-in conditioner. This is Whole Blends. I've had this for years, and it's took me years to actually get through it, but I finally got through this, and this is nice. It's not bad. I mean, it's not my favorite, but it's not the worst. If this was the only option, I'd be happy with it. Goop Beauty Goop Glow. This is a Restore Shine hair serum. I wouldn't repurchase it. It did nothing for me. Okay, this is a product that had expired in my collection. I used as much as I could of it, but I just could not use it up, so I had to empty it out and expire it because I've had this for about 5 years. That's why it says expired, because I cannot use this on my head anymore. I did not use this much because obvious reasons. It did not work. It says it's a scent boost. It's an Aussie Citrus Vibe scent boost for your hair. Did nothing. Nothing. Okay. Another expired product is this Protecting and Silk Blowout Quick Drying Thermal Spray. I tried using this thing up. I don't blow dry my hair often because I don't really put much heat to my hair. But when I did use this. But again, with this one, I've had this one for years and years and years. So it was definitely expired. So yes. If you blow dry your hair frequently, then I would suggest this. But if you're like me and only do it once in a blue moon, then it's not worth it. I have used up quite a bit of skincare so far, and I'm about to use up more, but that will be in the next go round. The first one here is this Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. This is nice. I like it. You can put it on and then just wash it off in the shower. I really, really like this, and I would actually like to have another one of these. This Daily Greens by Pharmacy. This is a nice moisturizer. This is a really, really nice moisturizer. Another glass bottle that I can reuse. This is really, really nice. I would repurchase this. Okay, one thing that I will not repurchase and has actually sat in my collection so long it expired is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. I tried to use this up. A little bit goes a long way with this, because I tried using it up. It did nothing for my face. I used it every day for like 6 months and it done nothing. So this is a no. Another no-go for me is this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I probably could scrape the rest of it out, but I'm just not interested in using that. Just a little bit. This done nothing for me. It did not keep me moisturized. It is not magic. It is not magic, but I am going to keep the bottle. The bottle is nice. I can reuse this. The new Code, the Peel All-in-One Serum. This done nothing for me as well. Absolutely nothing. 0 out of 10. Here is a interesting product. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Hydrating Serum. This stuff works. It's really, really nice, but look at this. You think you're getting this bottle full of serum? No. Look at all that space that's in there, and they only give you this. And it's even smaller on the inside. So, is this worth it? I don't think so, because you're not getting a lot of product at all with this. Now, the product itself is really good. If they can make it to where it's not so small and deceiving, then this would be worth it. An e.l.f. product that is not worth it is this Pure Skin Cleanser. Hate this stuff. It does not foam up, and I like my face wash to be foamy. If you don't like your face wash to be foamy, then you may like this, but for me, this wasn't good. It didn't clean my face as good as it should have. For makeup, the only 2 items that I've used up so far this year is the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. I really like this. This is really nice. I would definitely repurchase this. This is a 10 out of 10. Kush Liquid Eyeliner. This stuff's really, really nice too. This used to be my holy grail. But you can find more affordable options at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. I have this Native, what is this? Coconut and Vanilla. This is deodorant and body spray. I do really like the Native brand. They are so expensive. They're very expensive, but you guys, the Native brand does work. I absolutely love it. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the body wash, and the deodorant, and eventually I'm going to switch my entire skincare routine over to the Native brand. Out of 10, I recommend not only this, but the Native brand in general. Lumi will always have a special place in my heart. If I was able to buy Lumi at the local grocery store such as Walmart or CVS, I would be more prone to absolutely changing my entire routine over to Lumi. Unfortunately, you cannot buy these in stores. You can only get it online, which sucks, but that being said, Native is a dupe for Lumi. I have found the toasted coconut taste is just, you guys, not taste, do not eat this. The toasted coconut smells identical to the coconut and vanilla. So the Native Coconut and Vanilla is a total dupe for the Lumi Toasted Coconut. Only 2 products left. So I got this Onyx Professional Acetone. I think this speaks for itself. It's 100% acetone, and yeah, I mean, I don't really know what's there to remove. I do buy this acetone brand, and it works wonders with my Willow Wash to remove my dip nails. Last but certainly not least is this Equate Beauty All-Free Eye Makeup Remover. This is nice. This is really, really nice. It does remove waterproof makeup. It removes everything you want to be removed. Everything. But the problem is the size. The size. Look at this one from Garnier. This is a micellar water, and this is similar to a micellar water. It's pretty much the same thing. Look at the size. This is more affordable, and it works just like this one. So I would say skip the Equate unless you need it for like travel or something, but I would skip this little bottle and just pick you up a big old fat juicy bottle of Garnier. Okay, you guys, I will be doing another Empties video around November and December, so you guys can see what else I've used up and in total for the year of 2023. If you like this video and you like looking through my trash, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.